की जय। श्रीमद् सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे। As you know, Sri Maharaj wants us to elaborate a pad, any song of Prem Ras Madira. Because Prem Ras Madira is a collection of all those songs which may help us in doing Roop Dhyan. It is well understood by all the devotees that any kind of sadhana is no sadhana. Any devotional practice is no devotional practice at all without Roop Dhyan. And the other viewpoint of Prem Ras Madira's importance is that whatever is necessary for the enhancement of devotion, you will find everything right over there. Like our Granth, our Shastras say that to enhance your devotion, first of all, you need Shraddha, faith. Ādau Shraddha tatah sadhu sangoth bhajana kriya. The first thing is Shraddha, faith. So how would we develop that faith which convinces us that yes, you have to do sadhana, you have to realize God. This is the only aim of your life. You cannot live without realizing God. You can never be happy without realizing God. If this way does not develop in our mind, we can never have any interest of doing sadhana. We need a faith. Faith on the path, faith on the words of Guru, faith on the words of our scriptures is very, very important. Rather, it is indispensable to start our sadhana. So Maharaj Ji wrote all kind of bhajans to develop our faith, to introduce us with the basic philosophy. Sri Maharaj Ji has written the paths of Siddhanta Madhuri. Where there is philosophy, we know the true form of the world, we know what is the aim of our life, we know who is who is our relationship, relative, and who is our well-wisher. And we also come to know through these paths that we cannot do anything, we cannot proceed in the path of God realization without the grace and help of our Guru. So the Guru Madhuri Pad comes on the second number. The Siddhanta Madhuri, Guru Madhuri. Now when you understood everything, you have to develop your devotion. Then we need the other things. Like when we are doing Roop Dhyan, in Roop Dhyan, there are three important things which we have to do from where we start our practice. Number one is Bhog, Number 2 is Shringar, and number 3 is Rag. Bhog means when you visualize that you are offering food to God. So in that case, you have to remember, you have to just visualize that yes, this is the time I am going to cook food for my beloved Shyam Sundar. So what should I cook? How should I cook? I should cook very beautiful, very scrumptious food for him so that he will eat with the great interest. It should be all, the food should be of all kind of taste, like salty, sweet, bitter, sour, and some food should be nutritious as well, like yogurt or makhan. He likes it. Some fruit should be juicy as well. So we have to think that what should I cook for him? And we cook that, and then we decorate it in a beautiful thal, and then we put everything nicely in the thal. Then we make a place to sit for Shyam Sundar and to put the thali on it. This is all. If you are doing this kind of Rup Dhyan in a sequence, then you can spend hours and hours only in making the food, offering the food, and then when he is eating, you are standing over there, you are fanning, and then you are singing Jivanar, the song of offering food. You are singing that, and then you are ready to give water to wash his hand, then you are giving towel, then you are giving a pan. So there are so many things to do in offering of bhog only. And if you do, like Maharaj Ji has given, he has written a pad. Jevan ki balihar yugal var kanak thar maha kanak katorin साजी सखिन समार युगलवर पुनीतिन महा परसी बहुव्यंजन षट रस सरस अपार युगलवर जेवन की बलिहार युगलवर पुनि कर जोरी कहेउ आरोगहु पुनि कर जोरी कहेउ आरोगहु नवल युगल सरकार युगलवर पिय प्यारी मुख प्यारी पिय मुख हंसी हंसी रास हिडार युगलवर जेवन की बलिहार युगलवर सखिन समाज साज संग गावती मधुर सुरन ज्योना. That way, Maharaj has given us an idea that you have to think about it. Generally we go, in every house you will see, they take the food, whatever they make, according to their taste, not according to the taste of Thakurji. They make the food according to their taste, according to the taste of the family members, and then they put the thali over there. They ring a ghanti there, and then they take the thali. I think nobody can even see the food within that time. Somebody should see at least that what food has come to me. But before that, that someone will see that what is here in the thali, they take the thali and then they eat. So we have, Maharaj Ji has given us in Prem Ras Madhura all kind of bhajan. To increase the love for God, sometimes we need to focus on his shringar, sometimes we need to focus on his pastimes. So first of all, we know that we can offer bhog and we can spend hours and hours only in this Rup Dhyan. Then shringar. We have to dress, decorate, or we have to put the ornaments on Shyam Sundar. So ornamentation, dressing and decorating him, adorning him with various things is also a kind of sadhana, Roop Dhyan. Sometimes you have to visualize that you are dressing him with this kind of clothes. You know, the seva of Ashtamahasakhi, Maharaji has given us that seva in his Prem Ras Mandir as well. That which Sakhi is doing what seva. So you have to visualize that this is the time of this seva. I am going to Lalita Sakhi and probably she will also give me some seva. And you are requesting her, give me this seva. And she is smiling and she says, okay, you give this pan to Shyam Sundar. Look, you can dress him up today. You help me in dressing Shyam Sundar Shri Radharani. You can help me in ornamentation, etc. So, if we know, Maharaji has given so much matter to us in Murli Madhuri, Shri Krishna Madhuri, Shri Radha Madhuri, Shri Radha Bal Madhuri, Shri Radha Krishna Madhuri, Hori Madhuri. So there are so many things are given in Prem Ras Madira that depends on your mood. Whatever you want to do, whatever kind of Roop Dhyan you want to do at any time, you can easily do. So to do Roop Dhyan, Prem Ras Madira is the only Granth. There are many, many beautiful Granth of other saints. They have written beautiful pastimes, beautiful description of everything, but at one place, all kind of Roop Dhyan, the paths of all kind of Roop Dhyan, all kind of Leela, is not available anywhere at all. This is only in one small Granth of Maharaji, which is Prem Ras Madira. Few days ago, when Divakari was giving the lecture, she explained that we can do Roop Dhyan of two kinds. Roop Dhyan of Milan and Roop Dhyan of Virah. Some people got confused. They were asking me, Didi, if we are doing Roop Dhyan, we are feeling Shyam Sundar with us, then how can we feel Virah? It is impossible. How can we feel Virah when we are visualizing Shyam Sundar in our heart? So let us explain this thing as well. You know much about the Roop Dhyan of Milan. When you are thinking that he is with me, I am doing his shringar, I am offering food to him, I am playing with him, I am preparing garments for Shri Radha Krishna, I am preparing the ornaments of flower for Shri Radha Krishna. You can spend lots of time in all these things and you have an idea of this thing. So how can we visualize? How can we do Roop Dhyan in Virah? For this purpose, I have selected a pad of Virah today. And the pad is Ho Rasiya Kat Surasti Bisari. A gopi is saying that, O Shyam Sundar, O Ras Vihari, my beloved, Kat Surati Bisari. How have you forgotten us? You gave so much bliss of your association before. You were not leaving us any time. Rather, sometimes we were scolding you. Chanchala pashalokam balo sina lokayase kalankam. But you were still coming behind us. And what happened all of a sudden? That you disappeared. You said that you are coming back in few days. But we are waiting and waiting and waiting for you. You are not supposed to leave us like that, because lok ved kul kani taji sab, taji ai piya sharan tihari. You gave us so much love, and we sacrificed everything unto you. We did not care for the family restrictions. We did not care for what the Vedas are saying. We did everything only because of your love. Now, you have disappeared completely. We are waiting for so many days. You said, I am coming back in 2 days. The gopis said once to Thakurji, when he came, he played his flute, and all the gopis came over there to have Maharaj. And Thakurji was telling them again and again, go back. This is not a right time to come. Oh, it's not becoming for you. You are the satis, you belong to good families. It's very bad for you. People will defame you. He was showing so many reasons. And all the time he was saying, go back, go back. Then the gopis said, Maivam vibhor hati viv, Maivam vibhor hati bhavan, gaditum nishansam, santyajya sarva. They are saying, Naivam vibhor hati bhavan, gaditum nishansam. You are speaking like a very cruel person, when we know that your heart is softer than the flower as well. And we are coming to you, Santyajya Sarva Tava Pada Moolam. Santyajya Sarva Vishayas Tava Pada Moolam. That's why you are supposed to accept us. Bhakta Bhajasva Durvagrahamatyajasman. रिक्वेस्ट भी कर रही हैं कि हमको अपना लो, हमें वापस मत भेजो, हम तुम्हारे बिना नहीं रह सकते. They are telling him again and again, don't say like that. Don't talk like a cruel person. And then using the word duravagraha, stubborn. Oh stubborn, oh hatile, तुमको ऐसे नहीं कहना, डांट रही हैं. They are scolding Shyam Sundar at that time as well. You are not supposed to tell us to go, go, go again and again. Bhakta bhajasva durvagraha natyajasman. Devo yathadi purusho bhajate mumukshun. Like God always accepts those who want to attain liberation, who surrender themselves to God. In the same way, we have surrendered ourselves completely unto you. That's why now it is your duty to accept us. But instead of accepting us forever, who have given everything to you, who are totally dedicated to you, and you made so many promises before, and even then you are disappeared. So they are lamenting like that. Lok ved kul kani taji sab, lok ved kul kani sab, taji ai piye sharan tihari. Mag johat akhiyan patharai. Our eyes have become like stone. Why? Because we are waiting ceaselessly, unblinkingly, only for you. My eyes forgot to blink. We are waiting so desperately for you. They have become like a stone. Mag johat akhiyan patharain, Hari Heri Vipin Banawari. And we are just searching you in those forests in which you played so many pastimes with us. Wherever we look, we find some memories of yourself. Each tree, each leaf of a tree, the particle of the dust, everywhere. Wherever we look, we see that you are there. Tare ginat jat sab yamini. Whole night we cannot do anything except looking towards the stars. Palak ek yug sam lage bhari. And in the daytime also, each and every moment looks like an age. Nirmohi kas mohi mohi ab. Tadapavat bepir murari. You enchanted us by your bewitching smile, by your sweet talks, by your unparalleled love and everything. And now, after stealing our heart completely from us, you are making us bewail for you only. We are shedding tears constantly in your separation because we cannot live without you. You made so many promises, you forgot about that? Once Lord Krishna said to the gopis, Na parayeham niravadya sanyujam swasadhu krityam vibudhayushapiva yama bhajan durjarageha shrinkhala samrishya tadva pratiyatu sadhuna. O gopis, na parayeham niravadya sanyujam swasadhu krityam. I am not able to be free from your debts. Even vibudhayushapiva, even if I am given the age like the devatas, according to our calculation, the age of the devatas is millions of years. So if I am given that much time to live on this earth, even then I cannot be free from your debts. Why? Yama bhajan durjarageha shrinkhala samrishya tadva pratiyatu sadhuna. Because you have cut asunder all kind of shackles of the Vedas. You rejected everything of society, dharma, karma, you know nothing at all. Your mind is focused on me alone. All the time you are thinking about my happiness only. There's nothing in your mind at all. You have given up everything. The gopis challenge. When they go to Shyam Sundar, the public of Braj, they talk about them. Oh, they are very corrupted ladies. Oh, this lady is married with someone else, but she goes to Shyam Sundar every day. Oh, this girl is not even married and she loves Shyam Sundar. Oh, she is a corrupted lady. The gopis say, I don't care what the people are saying about me. घर तजो बन तजो नागर नगर तजो बंशी बट तट तजो काहू पे न लजी हो देह तजो गेह तजो नेह कहो कैसे तजो आज राज काज सब साज ऐसे सजी हो कहैया और सुनैया तजो, बाप और मैया तजो, भैया तजो, दैया पे कन्हैया नाही तजी हो. I don't care. I can leave. Deh tajau, geh tajau. I can leave even my body. I can leave my house. If they say they get out from the house, you are a corrupted lady, I don't care. Deh tajau, geh tajau. Neh kaho kaise tajau. But the love for Shyam Sundar, how can I leave that? I cannot leave Shyam Sundar. So Kahaiya or Sunaiya Tajun, those who are talking against us, I don't care for them. Those who are listening to our criticisms, I don't care for them as well. Kahaiya or Sunaiya Tajun, Baap or Maiya Tajun, Bhaiya Tajun, Daiya pe Kanhaiya nahi Tajun. But you will be defamed. Lord Krishna said that you will be badly defamed, and neither you will get happiness here in this slok, nor you can get happiness in Parlok if you will behave like that, if you will come to me again and again. Then again the gopis say, Ko kaho kulata kulin akulin kaho. What else can they say for me? They will say she is a very corrupted lady, kulata. She belongs to a very low class family. They can say that. Kulin, akulin kaho. Ko kaho kulata kulin akulin kaho. Ko kaho rankini kalankini kunari ho. कैसो नरलोक परलोक बड़ लोकन में लीनी में अलीक लीक लोकन ते न्यारी हो. I have adopted other line. I have become totally of Shyam Sundar. I am treading on the path of love. And love does not care for anything. I remember once some song was going on the street, Pyar kiya to darna kya? And Maharaj was listening to it. And next day he said in the speech that I heard a very good song, Pyar kiya to darna kya? So the same thing, this is the philosophy of the gopis. Pyar kiya to darna kya? Ghar jahu ban jahu, dev gur jan jahu, pran kim jahu, tek tarati natari ho. Vrindavanwari, banwari ki mukutwari, peet patwari, vahi murati pevari ho. I am sacrificed on the peet patwari, vahi murati pe. Shyam Sundar, he looks so beautiful in silk and yellow clothes. When he plays his flute, he looks so beautiful. So I don't care for anything else. That's why Lord Krishna said to the gopis, Naparayeham nirvadya sanyujam swasadhu krityam vibudhayushapiva. Swasadhu krityam. No matter how good deeds I perform, no matter how long life do I get over here, but even then, I will never be free from your debt. Name priyatamo atmayo nirna shankara na sankarsho na shri naivatma chayata bhavan. Lord Krishna is saying again that I know there are so many, but even I do not love that much. Atmayonir Shankaraha is my son, Shankar. But I don't love him that much. Sankarshan, Balramji, is my brother, but I don't love him that much too. And Lakshmiji is my Srimati, she is my wife. I don't love her also that much. Naiv Atmacha, I do not love my own soul also that much, Yatha Bhavan, as I love you gopis. Because you have given up everything. So the gopis are reminding Shyam Sundar where those sentences have gone. You were talking to us so lovingly. You just, we have just surrendered completely to you. And now you disappeared, leaving us like this. So they are thinking. The next line says, Jiyat na det, let nahi pranam. You have put us in such a difficult condition. Jiyat na det. How can we live? It's hard to keep the life in such a great pang of separation. It's unbearable separation of pang, these pangs. We cannot bear it. But, leta nahi pranam. But we cannot leave the body as well. You are supposed to take our life. If you don't want to give darshan to us, then you can take our life. You are not taking the life. And here is the struggle. A struggle between the eyes and the life. The eyes say, no, I cannot live without seeing Shyam Sundar. I cannot live. I have to see Shyam Sundar. And the life, the soul is saying, no, I cannot live. I cannot wait that long. I cannot wait that long. I am leaving this body. Why? If I will leave this body, then I may directly go to my beloved Shyam Sundar. I cannot wait anymore. I am leaving this body. I said, no, please don't leave. Why? Because then what would I do? If you will leave this body, then I will never see God. I will never see Shyam Sundar. It's my belief, firm belief, that he will come back one day. It's not possible that he will forget us completely. Why? Vajradapi kathorani. Although he is more hard than Vajra, mriduni kusumadapi, but he is soft, his heart is softer than the flower as well. So one day he will come for sure. So please, you don't leave this body. If you will leave the body, then how can I see God? How can I see Shyam Sundar? Once Shri Radharani, when she felt that it is very hard now to survive in separation of Shyam Sundar, then she gave the instructions to the gopis. Gopis, listen to it very carefully. I feel like I am not going to survive very long. So if I die because of the pangs of separation, if I die any time, then you know what you have to do with my body? What would I do? Na paure Radha ang, na paure Radha ang, bhasaye jole, marile tulaye rekho rekho, tamale dale. If I die, na paure ye radhang bhasaye jole. I don't want you to burn my body, and I don't want you to just throw it in the water. Then what will we do? What should we do then? It will be worthless. After that, no. Tie it. You should tie my dead body with tamaler dale, in a branch of tamal vriksh. Tamal is a tree. The leaves of tamal are blue, and Lord Krishna used to play his flute under the tamal tree. So I want you to tie me with the tree, tamal. Why? What's the use of tying the body, the dead body, with the tamal tree? Kabahun so piya yadi ase vrindavane. Kabahun so piya yadi ase vrindavane. प्राण पाए हम पिया दर्शने, प्राण पाए हम पिया दर्शने, कबहू सो पिया यदि आसे वृंदावने, प्राण पाए हम पिया दर्शने. It may happen any time that he will come back. If he comes back, then we will have his darshan again. Here is a hope. There is a ray of hope that he is not that cruel. He went for some reason, and he will come back. So whenever he will come back, I will have his darshan again, and only by seeing him, this body will get the life again. The dead body will also wake up. It will get life. That's why I don't want you to cremate, or I don't want you to throw it in the water, etc. Sri Maharaj talks about one share on this philosophy, that one devotee is saying, अगर तुम यहाँ नहीं आए तो गम में जान जाएगी. अगर तुम यहाँ नहीं आए तो गम में जान जाएगी. अगर तुम आ गए तो भी खुशी में जान जाएगी. Now I am waiting for you for such a long time, and I am so, my pain has become so high that now if you come, even then there is no use of coming over here. Why? Because if you don't come next moment, then I will die for sure. Agar tum aa gaye, but if you come back next moment, if you are here, then I will be so happy. I am waiting for you for a very, very long time. That's why seeing you, I will be so extremely happy that because of that happiness, I will die. So I have to die anyway. Now, that's why there is no use. You have made such a delay that now there is no use. You come here or not. Then Shyam Sundar answered, मेरे आने न आने से जो तेरी जान जाएगी. If you will lose your life just because of this reason that I came here or I did not come here. मोहब्बत मौत की भी मौत बनकर फिर जलाएगी. Love has such a great power that it will give your life back again. You can't die. प्रेम अमरत्व प्रदान करता है. Narad ji also wrote in Narad Bhakti Sutra, Amrita Swarupa cha. That is Amrita Swarup, means Amrit, which never dies. Bhakti, prem, it never dies. So don't worry about that. Whenever I will come, I will find you alive. So here the gopi is also saying, Jiyat na det, let nahi prana. Neither you leave us. You are making us cry all the time. It's hard for us to survive. Plus you do not take our life as well. You are giving us trouble from both the sides. And now she is thinking, I think he will never come back, because he fell in love with Kubja now. There was a lady in Mathura, Kubja, who was ugly. Because of some curse, she was not really ugly. She was looking very ugly. When Lord Krishna went over there to fulfill her desire, he put his one leg on his one foot and his fingers on his chin. And he did it like that, and she stood straight. She was hunchback, but she became straight and became very, very beautiful lady. So the gopis are saying that now he is attached to Kubja. He is getting all love over there. Probably he will never come back. So this is the pad of Viraha written by Maharaj Ji. Just think about it now. If you sing this kind of bhajan, where the sentiments of Viraha are depicted in a poetry, and you are singing it, then if you are feeling the same separation, if you have this feeling, then don't you think that Sri Krishna will saturate in each and every pore of your life, your being? When you are thinking, in this world also, if you are thinking about anyone, your son is in India, he is in England, you are sitting here, a mother is crying. Mother is feeling that I will be unconscious if I won't see my son anymore. Is she not remembering the face, the form of her son? Naturally, when you remember someone with the feeling of Milan or Vira, in both kind of things, you just visualize the face of the person as well. So the gopis are thinking, they are having the pains of separation, but they are thinking about Sri Krishna all the time. Separation, the Rup Dhyan or the feelings of separation are always called to be higher than the feelings of Milan. Why? When you see your beloved, then you find him only at one place. If he is playing flute in Banshivat and you need his darshan, you have to go to Banshivat. If he is playing at the bank of river, Yamuna, then you have to go to Yamuna. But when you are feeling the pain of separation, then you can see Shyam Sundar everywhere. And in divine love bliss, the love increases day by day in separation. In worldly love, it does not happen. If you do not see a person, then gradually you forget about him. Ladies cry a lot when their husband die. And it seems at that time, the poor lady, how would she survive now without her husband? But gradually she forgets. And sometimes they come to this point as well, that they are searching for another boy to get married. Their life becomes completely normal. They forget about everything gradually. When their life is again settled up, they forget about the husband. But in separation, in divine love, the love increases day by day. So you can say that separation is the barometer to test your love. If it is increasing every moment in separation, then it is true love. Otherwise, it was just attachment. Selfish motive was the secret behind it. Somebody was saying that even then, those who are worshipping Sri Radha Krishna with Madhurya Bhav, they can feel, they can have this ras of separation, viraha ras. They can enjoy this viraha ras. But those who worship Sri Krishna with dasya bhav, vatsalya bhav, and the other parts of Madhurya bhav, sadharanarati, samanjasarati, etc., how can they enjoy the feeling of separation? Prem Ras Madira. Just read the Prem Ras Madira. In Prem Ras Madira, Shri Maharaj Ji has depicted the viraha of a das, a servant, the viraha of a friend, the viraha of a mother, and the viraha of the gopis as well. If you read Danya Madhuri with dasya bhav, there are many, many poetries, many pad, which create the feeling of separation. For example, there is one pad, Aho Hari Kab lo rahi ho duri, Kabe nirakhi ho nav jaldhar tanu, in nanan bharpuri, Aho Hari Kab lo rahi ho duri. You know about this pad. I don't have to sing the whole pad. The devotee is saying, how long would you be separated from me? When would I see you? When that time will come, when I will see your beautiful body, the blue body, in a naina bharpur. कब वो दिन आएगा जब नीले बादल के समान आपके सुंदर शरीर को हम जी भर के देख सकेंगे, जी भर के। कब देख पाएंगे हम? कब वो दिन आएगा? पता है कि हमने कल्पों से केवल पाप ही किए। But I also have a faith, although I have been sinner since eternity, but I have a faith that you alone are the essence of my life. So when Kavay Surati Kariyo Hamriyu, why don't you look? When you pay any attention to me as well. Jani Das Pagadhuri. Just I am your servant. You are supposed to look at me also. You are supposed to pay some attention to your Das, to your servant as well. I don't understand. Then why didn't you come so far? What are you thinking in your mind? There is some limit of thinking as well. If you are thinking that yes, I will bestow my grace, I will. How long would you do like that? Because I am a fallen soul, and you always love the fallen souls. I am the one of the best, one of the highest kind of fallen soul. And instead you are thinking and thinking and thinking. क्यों कृपालु अब लो नहीं आए काहे रहे बिसूरी. What are you thinking in your mind? So in that way, when we are singing these bhajans, we can create the feeling as a das, that is also viraha. And the friends, they also feel the separation. They have the feeling of separation. When Shyam Sundar went from Vrindavan to Mathura, then all the sakhas were very sad. And they wrote a letter. Pati likhi banay sakhan ek, Pati likhi बनाय सखन एक, तुम तो रहे सनातन हमारे, तुम तो सखा सनातन हमारे, कहत रहे उरलाय सखन एक. You always embracing us, saying that you are my eternal friend. I can never, never, never leave you. And what happened to that thing? Man kah pakari kaan le aau, buddhi kah mathura dhish sakhan ek. Our mind, which is drowned in your love only, which needs you and you alone. We don't need anything else. Our mind is looking for you alone. Rom rom nityachat mote sundar shamalagat. Each and every pore of my body is asking for you alone. And that mind is telling, oh, he's your sakha. Go and hold his ear and bring him here. Go. Say like that. You have this right. But the buddhi kaha mathuradhish. My intellect is saying, no, no, no. Now he has become the king of Mathura. He's king. All the people are paying lots of respect to him. We never paid any respect to him over here. When he was living here, he was playing with us. We were forcing him to pretend as horse. And we were having the ride on his back. We were all the time fighting with him. We never talked to him with respect. Hey Kanua, idhar aa. We were talking like that. We never paid any respect to our friend. Now, he is getting lots of respect over there. Whenever he comes, the people announce, Maharaja Dhiraj Shri Krishna Maharaj Padhar Rahe Hain. They respect him like that. What did we do? Why would he come to us? That's why the intellect is saying, no, no, no. You cannot pay that much respect to him. That's why better you be away. So we are sitting here, shedding tears in your remembrance. So in Sakhya Bhav too, we see Maharaji has given us some hints, some matter to feel the separation, because we are free. According to the philosophy of Maharaji, we are the devotees of Madhurya Bhav, or we can go any time in Dasya Bhav, Sakhya Bhav, Vatsalya Bhav, Madhurya Bhav, whenever we want to. Go in any bhav, we are free to go. And whenever you are remembering Shyam Sundar with any kind of bhav, then he gives you the idea by his pad that how should you create the feeling of separation in your mind. Maiya Yashoda, Vatsalya Bhav. She loves Shri Krishna so much, she also cannot live without him. He was not willing to send him to Mathura, but Akrurji took him and he said he will come back soon. The Maya Yashoda is also crying all the time. She is thinking, how can I forget the moments when Shyam Sundar was playing in this courtyard. Whenever I look towards this courtyard, I remember my son was dancing. He had a little nupur on his leg, and he was dancing. Why? When I was churning the yogurt, then he was dancing with the rhythm of my mathani, with the sound of the mathani. Now I don't feel like making butter. Nobody is dancing. No one is here. Nobody is playing in this courtyard. Even the sakhas who used to come here, they also don't come here anymore. How can I forget? When he used to say, Maiya loti, Makhan loti, tuturi nabatiyan. When he was talking in his lisping language, he was looking so sweet. How can you forget that? So when Uddhavji went to Vrindavan and he was coming back, then he went to Yashodaji as well. Do you have sent some message for your son? Then she said, Udho itno kahi ho kaan, Udho itno kahi ho kaan. अब न कबहूँ कछु कही हों लाल सो, एक बार आहा जाए। उदो I have nothing to say to my child because I was so cruel to him all the time. I was scolding him, teaching him something, preventing him from doing something which he likes. That's why he's annoyed. I didn't give any comfort to him over here. There, he is living very comfortably. How can I say, come back in the same village to live uncomfortable life? Let him live there, if he is more comfortable there. And I promise, just say him, I promise, I will not say even a word to him. I just request him to come once. When he went from here, I never thought that he is going from me forever. Now I want to see him just once, I will be contented. Makhan chori te na barajiyon. I will never give any restriction to him. He can do makhan chori if he wants to steal the butter. I will not punish him. Ukhal mahina kabahu bandi hu. I will never tie him with the ukhal. Kare joi man bhai. He will be free here to do anything. He can do anything, whatever he likes to do. This is the glimpse of Viraha of Mother Yashoda. And Lord Krishna sent the answer to Maiya Yashoda. Pathik tum itno kahi ho jaye, tumharo lal कहो पालागन चरण कमल सिरनाय. I don't have any words to say to Mother. She fondled me so much. Whatever I was saying, she was doing it for me. When she was giving in the morning, she was having some butter, the fresh butter she was making, and she was giving that butter in my mouth with her own hands. Nobody can imagine the ras, the special taste of that butter. When I was not sleeping, she was sleeping beside me, and she was singing the beautiful songs for me. Although I know that my mother wants me to go there, but I don't understand that how can I go now? Why? Putna. I drank the milk of Putna also, although she came here with the intention to kill me. She smeared the poison on her breast, and she wanted to kill me, even then, because I drank the milk of her breast. That's why I sent her in my lok forever. Maya always gave me milk like the amrit, nectar. So sweet, so delicious. Not only milk. She gave me so many things. I always drank the milk of her breast, which was like amrit. Then what can I give her now? There is nothing beyond it to give to mother. So I am under the debt of my mother. And it is the rule in the world as well. If somebody is under the burden of too much debt, then he leaves the country. He goes somewhere else to escape from that. That's why I have also come here, because I cannot pay the debt of her doing whatever she did for me. So this is the viraha of Vatsalya Prem. And you know very well, we are just singing, the viraha of Madhurya Bhav. And as you know, in Madhurya Bhav as well, the Gopi Bhav, the love of the gopis is highest. And it is a shadow of the ideology of love of Sri Radharani. But there is no trace of self-happiness at all. The gopis love Sri Krishna. When Sri Krishna did not come, so they are also crying and saying, yes, yes, we do not belong to you, we are not your relative. What is the relationship between you and me? That's why you are there, you are enjoying the kingship over there. Because we don't belong to you, why will you take care of us? Why will you ask about what is our condition? Hamaro tumharo naat kaun hari. What is the relationship between me and you? तुम सोवत निज लोक चैन ते, हम रोवत दिन रात कौन हरि. हमरो तुम्हारो नाथ कौन हरि. रोम रोम नित याचत मोते, सुंदर श्यामल गात कौन हरि. नैन निगोरे बर जत मोरे, और अकुलात कौन हरि. हमरो तुम्हारो नाथ The gopis are lamenting like that. Not only the gopis, even this viraha is seen in Sri Krishna and Sri Radha as well. Sri Radha is always crying. She is restless without Shyam Sundar all the time. And Sri Krishna is also restless without Sri Radharani. Sri Radharani is lamenting, saying, Piya binu pyari jiya kulat. Piya binu pyari jiya kulat. Mag johat kunjan mein बैठी. She is sitting unblinkingly in the kunj and she is waiting for Shyam Sundar. Mag johat kunjan mein बैठी इत उत चितवती जात. Sometimes she is running towards this side, sometimes towards this side. Everywhere she is looking desperately. Oh, Shyam Sundar must be coming now. Oh, he's coming. He's coming from there. Maybe he's coming from there. So, ita chitvat jat tarute khagana udana lakhi sochati. When she hears sound of flying of the birds from the tree, then she gathers some hope. Oh, probably Shyam Sundar has come. But after waiting a couple of minutes, when she does not see Shyam Sundar, then again she gets unconscious. Tarute khagana udana lakhi sochati avat shamal gat kachuk der man rahi sochati girat gira kahi pranadhar. She just waits for a couple of minutes and then her murchit, she falls down being unconscious. Ha pranadhar, ha pranath. She is lamenting like that. And the gopis think Shyam Sundar is living very comfortably over there. Shri Radharani is lamenting. Kaha mero pran dhan, kaha mero pran dhan, murali badan. Kaha jabe, kaha kore, kaha jabe, kaha kore, bina pranadhan. Kaha re kahib ke ba, jane mora dukh. Kaha re kahib ke ba, jane mora dukh. Brajendra nandana bina phate mora buk. Brajendra nandana bina phate mora buk. Buk means heart. So she is thinking like that, and Shyam Sundar is also very sad without the gopis and Shri Radharani. Ye yatha mam prapadyante tans tathaiva bhajamyaham. If they are desperate to see Shyam Sundar is also desperate to see gopis and Shri Radharani. That's why when he was sitting like that, Uddhavji asked that what happened to you? Why are you looking so sad? You are always cheerful person. How come you are sitting like this? Then he said, what can I do? I cannot forget about Braj. Mohi Braj bisarat nahi. Mohi Braj bisarat nahi. मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही हंस सुता की कोमल कलरव हंस सुता की कोमल कलरव बंशी बट की छाही बंशी बट की छाही बंशी बट की छाही मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही जबै सुरती आवत वादिन की जबै सुरती आवती वादिन की हिय हुमगत अकुलाही हिय हुमगत अकुलाही ये मथुरा कंचन की नगरी ये मथुरा कंचन की नगरी मणिमुक्ता जेहि माही उधो मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही मोहि ब्रज बिसरत नाही. He is also remembering Shri Radha, the gopis, and he sent a message for Shri Radha Rani. He lalite वृषभानु सुते हम कौन कियो अपराध तिहारो कौन कियो अपराध तिहारो काढ़ी दियो ब्रजमंडल ते मोही काढ़ी दियो ब्रजमंडल ते अब और दुख रह्यो कछु भारो और दुख रह्यो कछु भारो इतनो कर दे इतनो कर ले यही मोहि दे वो कुंज कुटी यमुना को किनारो वो कुंज कुटी यमुना को किनारो राधिके रानी भई सो भई, श्री राधिके रानी भई सो भई, जनि देर करो मोहि बेगी उबारो, जनि देर करो मोहि बेगी उबारो. So this is the feeling of viraha, which is depicted in Prem Ras Madira. In the same way, if you worship Shri Radha Krishna with any kind of feeling, any kind, everything is here in Prem Ras Madira. It's extremely helpful for all the sadhaks. That's why Shri Maharaji suggested this time to elaborate the paths of Prem Ras Madira. And by the way, some devotee asked me about viraha. So I got a chance to elaborate the paths of viraha only. I'm very thankful to those devotees. श्रीमद् सतगुरु सरकार की जय, लाडली लाल की, भक्ति धाम मनगढ़ की, श्री राधा माधव धाम की, रासेश्वरी श्री राधा रानी की जय. जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय